Hey, again in OGS today. We've got an interesting one. Can you guess how old is car? You can't really see the reg number. Probably you understand it's an Audi, and it is 2019, and we really seen something very interesting, and we want to point it to you as a fact, interesting fact. So this car came in because the cooling fan was continuously on. We've run a diagnostic, and we've seen a communication issue between the engine ECU, which is right here, and the cooling fan modules. And after performing some checks, we realized it was a wiring issue, and we started doing a resistance check. We've noticed a section of the loom that was interrupted, and what we had to do, as you can see here, it was quite comprehensive stripping required in order to access the loom. And in here, just behind the brake servo mechanism, the wiring, there were two wires broken. Now they are fixed. But as you can see, it's a fairly new car, 2019, and it's not the first time when you see those type of wiring issues. I was just talking with one of the engineers. Imagine what is going to happen in 10 years' time with this type of wiring. They're not going to last that long, do they? But yeah, this is an interesting one. Significant amount of stripping we have found, and at this stage, everything has to go back together. The problem is solved, and another glimpse in exactly what we do here in OGS Mechanics. One stop for all your vehicle needs.